Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to use this electric pressure cook. First, turn on the power. Second, open the cover. And then add the food and water you need, add it in. If you get ready, close the cover, and then you see there are many function buttons here: rice, cake, chicken, fired, and soup. And we take rice for example. If we want to cook rice, push this button. It's need 9 minutes, and wait 5 seconds, it starts heating, just like this. Now it starts cooking. And if you want to cancel, choose this red button, and it's a cancel. And if the rice is okay and want to keep it warm, and choose this button again. Now it means it's keeping warm. Also, you can push it to cancel. If you want to cook rice but not now, and here is the preset time. One button means 30 minutes. Again, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hours. It means 2 hours later, it will start cooking rice. And also, we can cancel the time. And also, if you don't want 30 minutes, it is too long, and you can first choose rice, and then it's adding the cooking minutes. It's 10 minutes, 11, or you can make it less, 8, 7, and waiting 5 seconds, and it starts to heating. Now I cancel. And one important thing is, when finished cooking, you need to make sure that this button move the other side, let the steam out. Make sure that there is no steam inside the cook. Then open the cover, and you can get a delicious food. I hope this video could help you how to use. Thank you.